The 2025 Volkswagen Taos features a bold yet compact design with sharp lines, an updated grille, and sleek LED lighting. Brought to you by Berge Volkswagen. Its athletic stance and available 19-inch alloy wheels give it a sporty edge, while the refreshed front and rear bumpers enhance its modern aesthetic. Powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine, the Taos delivers 158 horsepower and impressive fuel efficiency. With available 4-motion all-wheel drive, it offers confident handling in varying conditions, blending city agility with road trip readiness. Despite its compact footprint, the Taos offers generous rear legroom and headroom, making it surprisingly spacious for passengers. The rear seats also split 60-40 for flexible cargo and seating options, perfect for adventures or errands. Inside, the Taos impresses with upscale materials and a clean, driver-focused layout. Available features like ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and a leatherette-trimmed cabin elevate the experience, while thoughtful storage keeps things practical. Stay connected with the 2025 Taos, available 10.25-inch digital cockpit pro and an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and built-in navigation and a Beats audio system are optional upgrades. Volkswagen's IQ Drive Suite is standard across trims, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking to help keep you protected on the road. With remote start, keyless entry, and an available power liftgate, the Taos is built to simplify everyday driving. Multiple USB-C ports, dual-zone climate control, and a configurable cargo space add extra ease to your daily routine. The 2025 Volkswagen Taos brings together smart tech, refined comfort, and surprising utility in a stylish compact SUV. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just running around town, the Taos is designed to keep pace with your lifestyle. You can view our selection at bergevw.com, give us a call at 480-646-4858, or visit our showroom today.